soil investigation. Today we're going to be investigating soil. To start though, before we can do any procedures and take any data, we need to write our question, hypothesis, procedures, and materials. Our question is, does the temperature of the soil reflect the temperature of the air? Before I do this lab, I have to write a hypothesis. My hypothesis for this lab is that if the temperature of the air is high, then the temperature of the soil should be high. And then if the temperature of the air is low, then the temperature of the soil should be low. This is my soil investigation, and I hope you like my results. Now, let's go get some data. First step is we gotta prepare our dirt. I'm gonna put a board over the earth so that when it rains, the water will not get in the dirt. To do our test, I have two thermometers. One can tell the temperature of the air outside, and one can tell the temperature of the dirt. To start our test, I'm going to leave the thermometer that can tell the temperature of the air outside for 2 to 3 minutes. This will get an accurate reading of how much the air temperature is. Then, we're going to put the one in the dirt and leave that there for about a minute, and then take the readings and put it down in our data log. Alright, we're going to move our log now, and we're going to put down the dirt thermometer. It would appear that the dirt is about 42 degrees Fahrenheit, surprisingly close to the temperature that the air is. After many more tests, here's our data.
As you can see on the graph here, the horizontal axis marks the trial number and the vertical axis marks the temperature. The soil is the blue line and the red line marks the temperature of the air. The temperature of the air changed a lot more drastically than the blue line for the soil.
In conclusion, you can see that the soil temperature does follow the air temperature, but only very slightly. The soil temperature is much more consistent and changes much more slowly.
In the future.
What would I do in the future? Well, I think for some of my tests, the dirt might have been slightly wet. In the future, I would make sure that it was all done without rain.
Science!
Oh yeah!
Thank you for watching my soil investigation. I hope you learned a lot about soil.